Let's talk about steaming and frothing milk for making perfect espresso drinks. This takes a little bit of practice, but once you get it, you'll be making delicious lattes and cappuccinos. Whole milk works best for making a thick, sweet, creamy foam, but you could really use any low-fat milk substitute if you prefer. For making a single cup, pour your milk right up to about where the spout starts. Next, make sure the steam wand is pointing down towards the hole in the drip pan cover. Then, turn the knob to the steam setting and wait for it to heat up. It'll begin spraying a bit of water and then steam. Let it run for a few seconds till it's done spitting out water, and then turn it off. The steam wand is very hot, so make sure to use the rubber safety tab when adjusting the wand position to avoid being burned. Pull the steam wand out and place the milk jug underneath, with the wand's tip just under the surface of the milk. Turn the steam back on and begin frothing the milk while the milk is still cool. You want to hear a bit of the hissing sound from the wand's tip, which means it's frothing the surface of the milk. If you pull it out too far, it'll start spraying all over. And if it's too deep, it'll be steaming the milk and not making any froth. So continue to froth until the cup gets warm, and then put the wand tip further into the milk in order to steam the milk. Once the milk jug becomes hot to the touch, about 140 degrees, you want to turn off the steam and remove the wand from the jug. Wipe the wand clean with a wet rag after each use, and then, pointing the wand back down to the hole in the drip pan, turn the steam on again for 2 to 3 seconds to clear the wand. To remove any bubbles from the milk, you can tap the jug on your countertop and swirl it around a bit. Pour the heated milk into your coffee mug and enjoy. Cheers!